Hi guys, in front of us there's two special Monstera Variegata. We all get it ready for send it to a new owner. This one have a good root there. We're gonna stack them up, make sure it's secure. This one also has a very good root. This one was in a very lost part, so the new owner and us agree that we're gonna keep it semi-bare root, so we remove good amount of grown media out. We will keep just some to cushion the root ball and keep it safe. Put the root there and we'll shake it up and cover it up. But we're gonna make a video where we show the good root, so the new owner know that this plant have a good root. Check this out. See, you got the new leaf. Look like almost full mint there. Wow. Right. This one is Monstera mint. Some people call jungle mint or no ID. You want to know about this plant? I have a video of it. And this one, remember this one, Monstera polar bear. Right. So I gotta tape this up and secure it up here, hook into this section, and make sure everything's secure. You're gonna send it out all in one box. We also have a wrap to protect it and put some cushion to support all part of it leaf. Unsecure, very good. Now we just cushion it, all the leaf in the middle as well. Up here we're gonna cushion all the leaf, and after that we're gonna cover with the insulation. The bottom moving, so you need to secure with tape. Yeah, protect the stain as well. Secure the bottom like that. And we need more tape to do it, so this thing doesn't move when the box moves around. This thing is being secure into the box. I'm gonna tape on this side to on that side, and then more tape down here. And we're gonna close it. We do some more tape. This up and tape again to make sure it doesn't move on the side as well, up and down. Now we just finish it. We're gonna tape everything up. Right. It's secure in the box. Right. Yeah, close it. We're gonna leave it some section open for the plant to breathe. And we don't close it too tight. We will suffocate the plant. We close like that and close the box. We just gonna tape it and close the box. We just finished packing it up. Alright, see the hole there for air circulation. They have the top and the bottom as well. We ended up making double box because the first one a little bit thin, so we need to double it, make sure it's secure, very strong. All right. Hope you go to the new home safe and growing well for your new owner. Right. Alright, see you guys next time. We're gonna talk about something else. Take care for now. Bye bye.